You must be wondering why I'm wearing freaking garbage bags on my feet. Before I clean up this mess, let's just show you around. We got this. What is this? What even happened here? I come over here, it's on the floor over here, it leads all the way. Thank God this whole rug is washable. And we have these mats so she didn't get up here. I don't think she got on this. This rug is washable, but it's like literally over here. It is all the way tracked through my house. It's on that rug over there. Pray for me. Thank God I can't smell anything right now because Letty says it smells like poo-poo in here.